Hello, my name is Aliki Dourmazer and I am a voice trainer and a vocalist, alongside my profession as a physical theater educator and director. I have been teaching and developing a vocal educational approach that I named Voice is the Body for over 10 years now. This approach is stemming from the practices of Christine Linklater and Chris Cohen. It mainly involves a deep corporeal connection with the voice's vibration, the physical understanding of the vocal instrument, and mainly the ability to work with one's voice through acceptance and pleasure. In these times of domestic confinement, I believed that the work on vocal exploration and the liberation of this inner expression could be kept alive. So I designed a series of online Voice is the Body classes for my students with profoundly positive results that allowed them not only to keep learning, but also to have this medium of the vocal expression, the voice's clarity, intention, and melody as a way to communicate with others who were far away from them. Drawing from this successful experience, we are happy to have Improtheater Festival Wurzburg in Germany organize for us an online 3-day workshop combining voice training and singing with rhythm work, led by the percussionist, performer, and rhythm educator Eilon Morris, with whom we have been co-founders of the international theater ensemble Duende, teaching students from all over the world. In this multidiscipline online workshop, the voice training will involve full body and head warm-up, breathing exercises, exercises that help you to locate and activate sound resonators, the engagement with the act of listening, exercises that help you to expand your vocal range and be able to create soundscapes, and also singing short practice songs in order to discover pitch, melody, and good breath support. All this on the basis of acceptance of our own voice, playfulness, and pleasure in the process. Working from our own living spaces gives us the opportunity to explore these. How does my voice resonate in my own space? And what kind of impulses do I get from this space in order to create a soundscape? How does the fact that I'm working from a familiar domestic space helps me to focus on my vocal vibration and carry it around in the room? How does singing in my living space liberates the way I inhabit this? And also, how do I connect with others through my voice using a shared screen and audio? We happily invite you to this journey of voice and rhythm, two practices that complement each other. We look forward to sound and move with you. See you soon.